Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be giving you a step-by-step process on how I got my phone number verified, of which can also work well for you. So to get this right, make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the step-by-step process. Also, kindly click the like, share, and subscribe button for more video updates. Let's get right into it.
So I've been using this account I just opened. So basically, we go to YouTube Studio. So after you select YouTube Studio, you select the settings option. It loads up and then you select your channel, then feature eligibility. After setting up the selecting feature eligibility, you see the option, the second option, which is a verification features. Below it, you can see the essence of verifying your channel. Then it takes you to this page. So after it took me to this page, the next thing you are supposed to do is to input your phone number. First, you have to select your country. I am from Nigeria, so I choose Nigeria, and then you input your phone number. So for Nigerians, if you use other networks like Shell and Glow or the rest, I tried it severally with my various lines. I even tried using family lines. Trust me, it didn't go for all those networks. But immediately I tried out MTN. Then I tried another number of mine on another account. I'm just using this as a tutorial because I had to create this page, this account for this tutorial. The previous number I also used and went successfully well was MTN as well. So immediately I imputed this MTN line. It didn't give me the responses other previous lines were giving me. But when I used an MTN line that I had used already on two other channels of mine, trust me, it didn't go through. You can't use a number more than two times on YouTube channel. So you can only use for two YouTube channels, and after that, you won't be able to use it until after a year. So after I imputed this MTN line of mine, it went straight, took me to this page, and I'm supposed to input my code. Then this is. So that's how I successfully registered my phone number.